Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide a tutorial on adding a local Python module to Apache Spark. This can be useful when you have custom functions or classes that you want to use in your Spark jobs. Follow the steps below. First, make sure your project is organized. Let's assume you have the following directory structure. In custom_functions.py, define your custom functions or classes. For example, in main.py, you can create your Spark application. Import the required Spark modules and your local Python module. Now, you need to submit your Spark application, ensuring that your local module is included. Run the following command in the terminal. This assumes that your local module is in a directory called my_module and that you want to zip it before submitting. The py files option allows you to specify additional Python files or directories to be added to the Python path. After successfully running your Spark application, check the output, and make sure your custom functions from the local module are working as expected. That's it. You've successfully added a local Python module to Apache Spark. This approach allows you to use custom functions or classes within your Spark application, making your code more modular and reusable. ChatGPT. Adding a local Python module to Spark involves a few steps to ensure that Spark can access and use the module during its execution. In this tutorial, we'll go through the process of adding a local Python module to Spark using a code example. This tutorial assumes you have a basic understanding of Apache Spark and Python. Make sure you have Apache Spark installed on your machine. You can download it from the official Apache Spark website, https://spark.apache.org/downloads.html. Create a simple Python module that you want to use in your Spark application. For this example, let's create a module named my_module.py with a function that adds two numbers. Create a Spark application in Python, and make sure to initialize a Spark context. Inside your Spark application, you need to add the local Python module to Spark. You can use the Spark context.addPyFile method for this. Make sure to replace path/to/my_module.py with the actual path to your my_module.py file. Now that you've added the local Python module to Spark, you can use it in your Spark application logic. Run your Spark application using the Spark submit command. This command will execute your Spark application, and you should see the result printed to the console. That's it. You have successfully added a local Python module to Spark and used it in a Spark application. This approach can be useful when you have custom functions or utilities that you want to leverage in your Spark workflows. ChatGPT.